So we cloned a disk. Now let's take a look at creating a secondary disk. So we have a secondary disk. The new disk will begin replicating from my alt disk to have the following properties. It makes me think that secondary disk is something that is going to replicate data that's being updated. So here we have whichever zone it is. So we have my secondary disk, right? And so we have it within a single zone. I guess it could be cross-regional, but I'm trying to decide what I want to do here. So maybe we'll have something that's regional. Yeah, so we have 1A to C here. I'm going to go ahead and create my secondary disk. So what I want to do is I want to see if actually replication's happening, because that's the only thing I could think of the distinguish between the clone disk and the create secondary disk. But once it creates that secondary disk, we'll spin up another virtual machine in that other region, or sorry, that other zone. And then we'll take a look and see if we update one, if it replicates in a particular direction, okay? So it looks like it's created now, the my secondary disk. And this is multi-zone. So look here, we see 1A to 1C, right? It's not just showing one, it's showing two. Same thing here, we have B and C, which is interesting. It's almost like they have a relationship. Let's go ahead and create a new virtual machine. So this will be in, what do we say, B. We have A and C. And, well, these ones are in C. Hold on, let's go back here. This one's in C. This one is A and C. This one's B and C. So I'm going to do A, the A region. I'm going to launch a virtual machine there. So we'll create a new virtual machine. This will be my other VM B, I suppose. And then we'll drop this down, go to Toronto, and choose the B region. We're going to stick with E2. We're going to switch this over to a micro. We're going to go to OS storage. We're going to attach that disk. We are choosing my alt disk cloned. We have read and write. For this, we could probably do read only if we wanted to, but I'm going to leave it as read and write for now. And sure, we'll have a custom name. Why not? So we'll go ahead and we will now go and create this virtual machine, and we'll wait for it to start. All right, so our virtual machine is ready. And I guess the idea is that if we go take a look at this one, let's go take a look at our first one here. We'll look at the contents of what is there, okay? And so what I want to find out is, does the secondary disk create any kind of replication, or is it just literally a secondary disk and there's nothing really exciting? So we're going to go to our mount directory. And, well, actually, this disk is attached, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's mounted, right? So that's something that we will actually have to do there to get that to work. Let's go ahead and type in lsblk. Right, and so the disk that we attached is the 12 gigabyte ones. It's SDA. Notice this time that the partition is SDB, so it really is just the order that it decides to do here. So let's go over to here. And again, step through this. I know it's really boring, but you know, you got to keep doing it till it works. So here, we're going to change this over to SDA. And we don't want to format it actually because it's already a disk, right? So really we're just mounting it. So this one is, well, what is this disk called? I don't know. So let's go up to here and grab this and find out what we called it. This one here is my alt disk cloned, right? So I'm going to copy that and we'll scroll on down here. We'll go ahead and make this directory mkdir-p/mount/disks. And then we'll paste that in there, right? We'll grab that name here and we'll go over to here and I'm going to edit this, hit enter. And this is SDA, good, that's correct. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this here. And so now if I go into this location, well, before we do that, we should chmod it. Probably already is writable, maybe not, I don't know. We'll go ahead and we'll make sure that it's writable. Put sudo in front of there. Okay, and so we'll go back and make our way there. So we have hello.txt. I'm going to make a new file here. I'm just going to say touch other.txt. And so my expectation is that if there is synchronization, it's one way, or it doesn't sync at all. I don't know. But that's the point, is that we need to test this stuff out, because I can go check the docs. I can go ask LLMs. I don't necessarily trust them. So let's go and figure this out ourselves. So we should have this other.txt file. There's nothing in it. We don't really need to put anything in it. I'm just going to put something in it. You don't have to if you don't want to. Other file. We'll go ahead, save and quit. So that one is now done. We're going to go ahead and close this. And I want to go into our original machine, my other VM. So this is the one with the extra one. So we'll go ahead and SSH into this one. I don't remember which one that we cloned, but I guess we'll figure it out here. I don't remember. I think it was the other one, but we'll see. Like the moon one, but I don't know. So we'll go here and we have 2 disks. We'll go look into my alt disk. I'm going to do ls-la. There's nothing extra in there. We'll go ahead into my world disk, ls-la. And we don't have anything there. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a new file here, say touch world.txt. And then for this one here, the alt disk, I'm going to say touch moon.txt. Okay, so those have now been both created. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. I'm going to go back over to my other one here. Again, I just want to see, does any replication occur? Why is it called a secondary disk? If it's just a secondary disk, like what? Like why? Why do we have different namings for these things? So we'll go take a look here, and we will cd into our mount directory, into our disks, and nothing. So yeah, I don't understand what is the difference between my secondary disk and my clone disk. We can ask Gemini. Let's go ask Gemini. What is the difference between my secondary disk, or create secondary disk, and clone disk? Is there even a difference? This option is related to persistent disk asynchronous replication for disaster recovery. It involves creating a new disk, blank disk in a secondary region that will act as a target for replication for primary disk. The data is asynchronously copied from the primary disk to the secondary one, allowing you to maintain a replicated copy of your data in a different region for disaster purposes. Cloning creates an instantly usable duplicate of an existing disk. It's identical, etc., etc. Okay, so for secondary disk, if I mount the secondary disk to another instance, and I go update the original instance, will the replication occur, or the secondary disk has to not be attached to replicate? Okay, let's see if it knows what I'm trying to say here. And we'll give this a moment to see if it can even figure out what we want. A secondary disk created for asynchronous replication cannot be attached to an instance while replication is in progress. Google Cloud blocks this action. The replication process requires the secondary disk to be in a specified state, and attaching to a VM would interfere with the ongoing synchronization. Therefore, it must, if you mount the secondary disk to another disk, replication for the primary disk will not occur. Secondary disk needs to be detached. Okay, so that's fine. I guess what we can do is detach the disk. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that. So we will go over to my instance extra disk, which is in the other region, and let's see if we can detach that disk. I'm not unmounting, I'm just going to detach and see what happens. So here we have the my world disk and the my alt disk. This is my extra instance disk. No, that's not the right instance. Let me go back here. My other VM, this is the one that we want. So go ahead and edit. You got to really pay close attention. I'm going to scroll on down, and we have this additional disk here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the disk and hit save. And so now the disk should be detached, right? We'll give it a moment here to save, and then we'll go see what the state of the disk is. All right, so that disk should be detached, and yeah, we saved that. So we'll go over to here. Let's take a look here, and we have our clone disk, and notice that it's not in use by anybody. So the idea is that I would think that if we update the original disk, that it is copying to, then we'll know, right? My alt disk. So I'm assuming it's a, well, hold on. My secondary disk is down here, right? Sorry. So my secondary disk is a secondary of what? I can't remember. It's not like it tells us, does it? No. Let's click into it. It's a secondary disk of my alt disk. Okay. So what we'll do is we will go ahead back over to here, and we're going to go into our original instance here, and we'll SSH into this one. And the idea is that this replication's already, or the disk has already been created. So if we start writing files to it and then it's replicated over, then we're going to know that it worked. I'm not sure how fast replication would be. We'll go over to here to mount disks, my alt disk, that's what they said it was. And we'll just make a new file here. We'll say touch again.txt. And I guess I'll just open it up for fun and just say, we have added a file again. And I'm going to go ahead here, write and quit. I'm also going to, I guess, update the hello.txt for fun, and we'll just put some exclamation marks here. So the idea is that we have now modified this disk. Replication should be occurring. When it occurs, I don't know. It should be, it should happen. So now what we'll do, I guess we could ask Gemini. With a secondary disk, how fast is replication? Again, this is preview, so sometimes I've actually seen it give like AWS answers for GCP, which is terrible. The replication speed is designed to be quite efficient. So it changes blocks per minute. We really changed next to nothing, so it should really update quickly. So what I'm going to do is go back into this this other VM here where, that's being replicated. And we'll go down below to our additional disk. We'll go ahead and add our clone disk. We'll go ahead and we'll save it. While that is saving, I want to start getting into that virtual machine just so that we are being productive with our time here. So we'll go over to here into VM instances. And from this one, I'm going to go ahead and SSH into it. So we'll give that a moment here to connect. Say authorize. And we'll do lsblk. So I want to see if the other disk is there. And so this is our main disk, and this is the other one, SDC. So we're going to have to go ahead and mount that. We're going to go through the whole process again. I believe we already have a directory there. If we go to mount here, disks, and we go here. Yeah, so there's contents there. I don't know if that is good because we never unmounted it. I'm not sure how to unmount. I don't need to unmount that often, but we'll just say like, how do I unmount? And I'm going to copy this command here into Claude. I'm just doing this off screen on Claude here. So I'm just asking like, how do I unmount it? And here it says to do this. I'm going to do sudo mount unmount. Because right now it shouldn't be going to anywhere, right? So we'll go ahead and do that. The target is busy. Well, probably doesn't help that target is busy. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do an ls. We'll see, go into here, into our temp directory, into our mount directory. CD, oh, sorry, not there. We'll go CD mount. Okay, so I don't see the replication. So obviously I'm doing something wrong, but I think that you get the idea that secondary disk is for replication. We could fiddle with this all day, but I don't think it really matters. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of our second instance here. We'll go ahead and delete it. And we'll just focus on another task. But now we know what secondary disk is for. It's about creating a secondary disk where we have asynchronous replication. And you don't really want to attach it until you need to work with that disk, I guess. All right, and we'll just continue on learning things about disks, okay?